Installing LightBurn on macOS. Plug the USB drive into the computer. Open the USB drive. It is recommended to copy the files to the desktop. Open up the link www.lightburnsoftware.com. Click the download link for macOS. Wait for the download to complete. Drag your LightBurn icon into your application folder. Connect the machine with MacBook via USB cable, then turn on the machine. Open the application folder and click the LightBurn icon to open the software. Set up your machine into the device list. Click Create manually. Choose JCZ Fiber and click Next. Click Import EasyCAD config. Try to find the drive file called Mark CFG 7 inches from the folder we copied to the desktop before. Check the information. Make sure the laser type is Fiber. Then click Next. Rename your device. Fix the work area. Click Next. Finish. Then OK. Make sure the machine is ready. Click Device Setting. Click Load Core File. If your machine equipped with 110mm field lens, you need to load the jcz11.core file and click Open. Change the frequency data according to your machine type. Click GLAVO2 as X-axis. Then click OK to finish the LightBurn setup on macOS. Thank you for your support. Please feel free to contact us if any help. Our email address is support@commarker.com.